Welcome back, viewers, to our channel. This time around, we'll be assessing 5-year technical projections. We have observed substantial technology developments during the previous 5 years in a number of vital industries. First and foremost, AI and ML are being utilized in several industries, including finance, transportation, and healthcare. Numerous operations, from financial transactions to medical diagnosis, are utilizing these technologies to improve their precision and efficacy. These sectors are accordingly becoming more data-driven and simplified. Second, e-commerce and online marketplaces have had a tremendous influence on traditional retail malls. As internet shopping gets more popular, brick-and-mortar retail establishments are losing consumers as more people opt to buy products and services online. This transformation has had a tremendous influence on the retail industry, compelling merchants to adapt by growing their online presence. Thirdly, desktop computers are becoming less frequent while mobile devices are growing more widespread. As a result, in order to serve the majority of consumers, websites and applications must be mobile-friendly. This has produced a shift in the way digital goods are developed, with a greater emphasis on mobile-first design. For many individuals, social media has become a primary source of news and information. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram have become crucial tools for news consumption and keeping up with current events. This has also had an impact on established news organizations, who have had to adapt to the changing climate by increasing their social media presence. Fifth, there are more and more IoT-enabled gadgets in companies and residences. These devices, such as smart thermostats and security cameras, demonstrate how indispensable the Internet of Things, IoT, is becoming to our everyday life. As more and more devices connect to the Internet, the opportunities for IoT-based applications grow. Sixth, as the frequency and sophistication of cyber attacks have increased, both individuals and businesses now place a premium on cybersecurity. As more and more private information is stored online, the possibility of data breaches and criminality has never been greater. In order to preserve their resources and data, corporations and governments have been compelled to spend heavily on cybersecurity measures. VR and AR are gaining popularity in an increasing number of areas, including gaming, education, and medicine. Through the use of virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, technologies, immersive and interactive experiences that may be employed for entertainment, education, and even treatment are now feasible. The popularity of cloud computing among digital services has risen, and it is projected that this trend will continue as these technologies continue to develop. Cloud computing allows organizations to access and store data and applications through the Internet, rather than on their own servers. This has spurred the growth of other cloud-based services, such as Microsoft Azure and Amazon Web Services, by enabling more flexibility and scalability. The value of big data and analytics has increased for enterprises because they enable them to extract insights from enormous volumes of data and improve their decision-making. Businesses that can manage and analyze massive amounts of data may get valuable insights about their clients and operations. As a result, there is an increased demand for data scientists and analysts capable of drawing conclusions from these massive data sets. Finally, technological advances in communication and cooperation have made distant work more feasible. Thanks to tools such as Zoom, Slack, and Microsoft Teams, it is now easier for anyone to interact regardless of location. As a result, the way we work has changed, with more companies adopting remote and flexible working choices. During the past 5 years, significant technical advancements have occurred in a number of significant sectors. From artificial intelligence and machine learning to e-commerce and online marketplaces, from mobile devices to social media, from IoT-enabled devices to cybersecurity, from virtual reality and augmented reality to cloud computing, and from big data and analytics to collaboration and communication technologies. Numerous industries have been profoundly affected by these advances, which have driven enterprises to adapt in order to remain competitive. It will be intriguing to witness how these technologies continue to evolve and influence our living and working conditions in the future. We appreciate your cooperation as we analyze 5-year technical estimates. We'll be back with fresh information and analysis. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more substantive information.